So we are in Dollar General to do some hauls. First of all, I am going to do some $5 challenges and 2 or 3 5 off 25 deals, and I'm gonna do some coupon matchups. So bear with me, but this will not take long. So let's hurry and get it started. Okay, guys. So actually, I picked up the Arm & Hammer Scent Sensation. It was $3. Listen, guys, this one is $3. This one right here. The other one say 5. But look, so I'm gonna end up having to get 2 things. This is the $3 one. Look, a $2 connected and a $1 connected to those. Now you know it's gonna take this one first because that's the one I picked, right? So I'm gonna go and get 2. I'm gonna grab 2 of them so that I can get both of them. It'll take $3 off completely, so making that one free. So making one free. Now that's my fault because I should not have clipped that other one. I'm trying to see if they have any more of the $3 ones. Look like they all gone, so I'm sure that had to be a glitch. Okay, there you go. Okay, so I'm kind of sure that had to be a glitch right there. All right, so Arm & Hammer glitch. Both of them are connected. Okay, so here we go, guys. I scanned the clean sensations right here at $3. There it is. The $1 connected, so it will work out. I can get both, so I'm going to get both of them. Okay, so that's our first one. So we're at $3 now. We know we're at $3 because that's how much the that's how much those will be with the coupon taken off of it. Now I was going to grab the $2 gang that's not here, so I'm going to grab one of these. Let me see. I'm not going to grab it. I'm going to, oh, I can grab a snuggle. Here's the snuggle. The snuggle is $2. The coupon that we have is for $1 off, so you'll pay $1 for this. So let's put it right here. Now you're at $4. $4. And you got a whole laundry right there. Right there. A whole laundry. Let's go down here. Okay, and we're going to get a Febreze warmer. I don't see any Febreze warmers anywhere. So let's go over our deal. The first $5 challenge we have is a Arm & Hammer clean. The clean sensations is $3. Then you have another Arm & Hammer clean sensations. The beads is $3. Then you have one snuggle at $2. Okay, you're going to use the $1 off the Scent Sensations for the Arm & Hammer. And then you're going to get the one with the pink cap Arm & Hammer for $3. You're going to use the $2 off, okay? And you're going to use one snuggle for $1 off, okay? Once you do all of that, this is going to take off $2. That one's going to take off $1. That's going to take off $1. You're going to pay $4 out of pocket for all of this. Don't tell me that in a winter because that's laundry. And don't forget you're going to get the free warmer. And grab your free warmer with it, okay? Free warmer. So all together, $3, $6, $9, $10, $11. And you're going to end up paying $4 out of pocket from $11. First $5 off $5 challenge. There you go. And that's how that should look, guys. Right there. Okay. So we're going to grab one Prego at $2. This is for our second $5 challenge. And grab one Barilla at $1.40. So this is the fettuccine. That's fine. I grabbed that one. Because I'm going to fix some Alfredo. So I got this one at $1.15. And that one is, so we already up to $3.40. One Febreze warmer. Since they don't have it, I'm going to use the coupon. One Febreze warmer. Okay, and we're going to get one got to be glued at $5. One is $3 because you get a $2 coupon. So that we're at $8.40. Oh, yeah, 8. You're going to grab 1 degree at $1.85. Scan it. There it is. And it is $1 off. And it's $1 off, making it 85 cents. Grab one women's degree at $1.85. So look. Don't forget to scan it. Make sure you got the right one. That one is $1.10 because it's a 75-cent off coupon. Second $5 challenge is that. And you end up paying $5 out of pocket. Okay, we're going to grab one Playtex Sport at $3.50. Okay, so I'll grab 2 of these cheeses right here. And it is $2, but it's $1 off of 2. So we're going to grab those. Now, your third $5 challenge is 2 cheeses, 1 Playtex at $3.50, and then your warmer. Don't forget your warmer. I don't have one, that's why it's not there. Now, if you add all of it up together, you're going to pay $4.50 out of pocket for everything right here. Third challenge. Here come the fourth one. Okay, guys, this is what I did with that extra order. Hold up. You're going to get 2 bugles at $1. You're going to get the warmer. Now, remember, the bugles are about under here. Oh, I'm going to grab the nacho cheese instead of those rack orders. Okay, I'm going to grab the Cheez-Its at $3. Remember, we got a $1 off coupon. These are $2 a piece. Make these $3. These are $1 because we got a $1 off coupon. Make those 50 cents a piece. We're going to also grab the Prego at $2. And don't forget, this is $1.15. The Prego makes this free. $1 off that. So this is $6. Don't forget your warmer with it. So yes, for $6, yes, I will grab all of that, guys. Okay, so now I just showed you 4 of the $5 challenges. Let's get to 5 off 25 deal. Okay, so this is the stuff you should have in your buggy for your 5 off 25. You're gonna have one Arm & Hammer. Make sure it's this one for $3, the Clean Sensation. You're gonna have the Arm & Hammer shake. Make sure it says Clean Sensation because it's $3. The Got to Be for $5. 1 Degree Women for $1.85, and 1 Degree Men for $1.85. The Snuggle, that's $2. The Fettuccine, that's $1.40. The Prego, that's $2. These are $2 a piece, and these are $1 a piece. This is what you should have in your budget for the 5 off 25. Okay, so for everything over here, you should be paying $9.67 out of pocket. Whatever you have as overage coupons, use them. Use your overage coupon. That's what they're for. Now, I'm getting everything in this cart today except the Snuggle. I don't want that. I'm not going to get the tampons. And I'm picking up these because I need it for my kids' Valentine's Day boxes that I'll be making. That video will come out on Friday at 7 a.m. So make sure you look for all of this I'll be getting, guys. Let's do some matchup deals. Okay, guys, confirmed by me. I use these as in Dollar General. The 50 cent, the $2 off of 1 General Mills coupon. Work on these in Dollar General. So go ahead and use those if you want to. Pick out your, you know how you do it. You pick out your cashier. But they do work. I'm not telling you to use it, but if you want to know just extra cereal, that works. Another 5 off 25 deal you could do, guys, but they don't have any of the stuff. You could do 2 Febreze Airs. Where they at? You could do 2 Febreze Airs, the spray cans, 2 for $6. You could do 2 of the Febreze car plugs, the single packs. Here they are. First time they done had these. You could do 2 of these. Here's the Airs right here. So they do have some of them. Okay. Do 2 of these warmers. 2 boxes of these Snuggles. Get another Snuggle. You could do 2 boxes. Okay, I want you to do 2 gang, but I do want you to do the 34 count, not the 60 count. This is just in the place of it, okay? So you're going to do 2 gangs. So once you do all of that, this all will add up to $26. Make sure you get 2 of those. Free plug-in. Okay, you should pay $3 out of pocket. But let me tell you, the $2 off gang coupons work on the 34 count, making these free, okay? So make sure you use the $2 off gang coupon. They make them free. I'm sorry, guys, I don't have a coupon. I had a big sale this weekend, and I did use them. Then use the $1 off for the Snuggles. $1 off for the Snuggles. Then you have a digital or paper air. And then you have a digital air for this one, okay? You should be using, I'm going to actually get these today. So my haul is going to come way over what I want it to be. I think it's going to come up to about $13, $14. Now that deal is out of pocket. Those are 2 5 off 25 I gave you and 4 $5 challenges. Plus a couple of matchups I'm going to do right quick. Because we did get the all in our pack again. But we did have Pyrex. The Pyrex don't work on this one. And Walmart, it worked on this bag, but it didn't work on it. So here's a Pyrex for $4.50. Use your dollar off coupon, pay $3.50 or whatever how much it is. We had a Arm & Hammer that came. Here is the one for $3. Use that $1 Arm & Hammer, make that one too. I actually like this bag. This one, all the powder stuff stuck together and broke up on me. And all of your game coupons, make sure you use those. And here's your all for the blue. They $5. Use that dollar off coupon, making them $4. Also, guys, don't forget your free deodorant. Your glitching deodorant. One is 85 cents and one is $1.10. The one that's $1.10, I'm gonna probably put that back. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this. Make sure you like and subscribe. I gotta put this video out early because I do not want for anyone to be thinking that it's a snowstorm coming. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you later.